All right, video number 2 on quadratics. We're looking at number 4 through 7. So number 4, which of the following expressions is a factor of the expression x squared plus 2x minus 24. So here again, what's going to multiply to give me negative 24? That tells me one's positive, one's negative. So negative 1 times 24 will work, right? And negative 2 times 12. And negative 3 times 8, and negative 4 times 6. There's my options, right? So if I look, I want to get a positive 2 in the middle, so it has to be negative 4 and 6. So if I look over here, do I have an x minus 4? No. Do I have an x plus 6? Yes, that's my answer, K. That makes sense? All right, number 5. What are the solutions to the equation? Okay, so x squared minus 4x, I have to move this over, so that makes it negative 32 equals 0. Now, so multiples of 32, negative 32, matter of fact, is 1 times negative 32, 2 times negative 16, 3 won't, and then 4 will. And you can tell this is going to be my option, right? 4 and negative 8, because that adds to give me negative 4. So I have x plus 4 and x minus 8. So my solutions are negative 4 and 8. And so if I look over here, negative 4 and 8 is C. All right, these are real easy when it's x squared, okay? We'll get to the next ones here in a minute. What is the sum of the two solutions of the equation? All right, here again, sum of the two solutions. And this is understood 1 in front. So I take this number, change its sign. So 4, make it negative, is negative 4. Done. All right, which of the following expressions is a factored form of the expression 3x squared minus 10x minus 8? Okay, so on this one, if I'm looking at this, I would go through and say, well, I know it's going to have a 3x, right? And we can go back to that one video we did before, but, you know, however you want to think of it. So I know it's going to be 3x something, x something, okay? So that's pretty much what I have over here. Now, negative 8 tells me that one's negative, one's positive. Now I got to figure out which is which, okay? So knowing that, I can rule out E because they're both positive. That's not going to work, okay? So my number in the middle is negative, so I know whenever I multiply through my two numbers, the negative is going to have to be bigger. So if I look at this one here, if I look at C, when I do that through, 3x times 4 is a positive 12. Minus 2 leaves me at a positive 8, so it can't be C. They're not going to be both negative, so I can rule out B. Okay, so now I know I'm down to A or D. Now A, 3x times 2 is 6x, and then negative 4x is 2x, so it has to be D. Sometimes you can look at the questions and rule out the ones, and then that leaves you with what the right one is. Okay.